Greetings investors and cryptocurrency traders. As you know, there are a lot of fraudulent schemes on the market now, and the number of those willing to take advantage of users' lack of experience and knowledge and to scam them is very high. It is especially hard for novice traders, as they are most often the victims of scammers. In this review, I want to tell you about one promising project that offers the possibility of safe investments for everyone. That is for beginners and experienced investors and traders. With this project, according to the assurance of the developers, your funds will bring you profit at any time. So, this project is called whalemaker. Whalemaker is the only multi-chain fund, and also the coin with a guaranteed ROI of 15%, and this ROI is valid every 45 days. The project itself was launched on May 21st, and the price of the project token, which is called WMF, increased by more than 1,000% compared to the pre-sale price. And the market capitalization reached over $1 million in just a few days, currently sitting over $2,500,000. The project was launched by a group of investors with extensive experience in cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. Their main goal is to let you profit on the cryptocurrency market. Also, what I think is important, is that they do not promise that you will become rich in a few days, but they guarantee that you will make a profit, regardless of the current market situation. The team's confidence that there will be a profit, is based on the following points. The whalemaker team offers you capital protection, based on their experience in finance and cryptocurrencies. They also make smart investment decisions, by studying the market from all angles, and you end up making your profits. So you can become part of the system, and very likely get good rewards. Now let's break down how their system works. Well, first, the team together with active investors, is looking for the most promising projects in the cryptocurrency sphere. And the work is done every day. All projects are scrutinized, also analyzed in terms of their potential, and they are given a preliminary performance evaluation. Then whalemaker invests in profitable projects, to maximize profits for their investment fund. And the team also conducts margin trading, to ensure that all their clients receive the promised profits in the future. Now let's talk about what's so special about whalemaker. So, I believe that the main feature is that you do not need to study various charts and conduct a technical analysis of the projects, and all this is done for you by a team of experienced investors. This means that your entire capital is completely safe from wrong decisions about which project to invest in, because the whalemaker team invests only in the strongest and most promising projects. Also, a special feature of whalemaker is that this project offers a high APR and a unique return on investment in their investment fund, while guaranteeing a minimum 10% ROI per month. You can also engage in the staking of your whalemaker coins, and earn a steady weekly income from the staking, provided by the tax that is charged on the transactions. You can also buy investment slots. These slots will be open to those who have WMF tokens and join the NFT fund round, which will be launched in August. You will definitely get profit from a cryptocurrency fund. It can be much higher than the minimum 10%, there are no restrictions on it, and there is no risk to your capital. And in case investments and trading bots do not provide a minimum 10% ROI, the withholding tax reserve will make up the difference. Also, all profits will be paid in Breeze tokens and BNB. Now let me say briefly about the project token. The token itself is called WMF, and the allocation of tokens is as follows. 40% for pre-sale, 10% for team, 5% for marketing, 30% for liquidity, 10% for development, and another 10% for treasury. It is also very important that the project is already working in full force, and WMF token is already trading on SPH1X Labs, as well as on PancakeSwap. Let's move on. I will also mention the investment fund rounds. The first round was held on May 29 and was successful. The liquidity pool was filled by more than 75% in just 24 hours, which shows investors' confidence in the fund. And the result was 17% ROI for 45 days, which have already been paid to investors on July 12. The current WMF rate is over $0.005, a 700% increase over the launch in May alone, and 350% higher than the fund's first round price. And the first round is just the beginning. Round 2 of the Whalemaker Fund has been active since July 19, and both the BSC and BRC pools are open. During the round, WMF token holders will be able to use them to get investment slots with higher ROI and multiple lock-in time options. Also, the second round will last 45 days, and the price of pools is 4 times higher than in the previous round. Even if you don't manage to join those pools, there are 15-day staking pools with very good APR above 25%, as well as LP mining BNB or WMF with over 50% APR. By the way, the NFT fund will launch in mid-August, and NFT ownership will be mandatory to join any pool after that round, which ends in September. Now let's look at the roadmap of the project. So, here according to the roadmap, the team will enter into an agreement with influential people in the field of finance, they will deal with the marketing campaign of the project, and will take place the distribution of profits. There will also be an initial listing on the centralized exchange. In August and September there will be an expansion of the fund, there will also be more slots, depending on the amount and percentage of return. They will also hold a lottery for holders, and will distribute 5% of the fund's profits. Next will be the launch of the third round of cryptocurrency fund and slots. In October, there will be a review of the economic results of the rounds and a review of the staking rewards. There will also be the launch of a quarterly and annual crypto fund, which will have increased rewards. At the end of the year, they will pay a $10,000 award to the winning project. In the first quarter of next year, they will distribute 5% of the profits from past rounds for charitable purposes, start auditing and consulting services for project owners. And in the second quarter, they will add more analysts to the team, and also present a new version of the roadmap for next year. Well, I think it's worth summarizing today's review. So, I would like to say once again, that Whalemaker guarantees you profits, even if they are not huge, but these profits will be stable. Also, you don't have to study the projects yourself, make trading strategies, learn the basics of trading in the market, and instead of you, this will be done by the experienced Whalemaker project team. That is, all this complicated in some way, the project team takes care of. If you are interested in this project, then subscribe to all social networks Whalemaker, to be aware of all the news of the project. I wish everyone success with Whalemaker, but the main thing to remember, that this is still a cryptocurrency project, which means there are high risks. Be sure to do your own studying, before investing in any project, and do not be guided only by the project review. This concludes my video, leave your opinion about the project in the comments, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.